Diabetics have a much higher risk of developing coronary artery disease. So it's a double danger. One is that diabetics will at least have double the amount of coronary artery disease. But not only that, because with the diabetes, then the nerves of the heart get damaged, that they don't get any warning. So they may be having heart disease for many years and they will not realize till they go on to have a heart attack, or their heart starts failing, means the heart is already damaged and they don't know. So that is why we now recommend that the diabetics should be watched or checked much more frequently than people who don't have diabetes as a follow-up for heart disease. So like we say now, if you want to know what preventive medicine, every person by the age of 30 should have had one full screening, which means that their bloods are tested, their ECG is done, their chest X-ray is done, and a stress test is done. With that, we know what the baseline is. So if we find somebody's got a high blood pressure, we can correct it. If somebody has high sugar, we can correct it. If somebody has any cholesterol stuff going on, we can reduce that. So we can by and large reduce the risk factors by simple alteration in lifestyle, not with major changes in lifestyle. Exercise, watch out the diet. So these things, and with some medicines if we need to, we can actually prevent heart disease from developing further in majority of the cases. So that's why the sooner we find out, the better it is. And then according to that, we may do a checkup every 2 years, 3 years, every year, depending on each individual.